One, prosecution sought custodial orders. Those guys are all reacting to that, so we have a story that's coming from Palace. Yes. So before I go to business, I want Yvonne. Champions League preview ambapo Real Madrid wanajitayarisha kuchuana na PL Trophy ilikamilika. Mmoja wetu alikuwa na nafasi ya viatu hawana nini kikondo there on a different assignment but called for us. Sorry, okay. Nakira msaanza na Maracos. Lepo kufika pati. No. Today is after, so everybody here has a two stories to do.